Hello everyone, today is January 9th, 2023. Welcome to a channel purely focusing on the chart technical analysis. Welcome to subscribe, forward, comment, so you won't miss any of the new videos. If you have watched my video posted on January 4th, then you will not be surprised by the big rise today for Solana. So what will happen next? Will rally continue? Or will it pull back and continue to rise? I will talk to you about what we should do in terms of chart technical analysis in the next few minutes. As usual, let's have a look first the disclaimer. Okay, we will check the SOL versus USD dollar on TradingView. This is the SOL versus US dollar on TradingView. It doesn't matter which platform you are using, but it's all the almost. I mean, it might have a little bit minor difference, but it doesn't really matter by reading the chart. This is a weekly chart, as you can see here. In the video I posted on 4th of January, I have already showed you guys about the waves from 260 down to $8. There are 5 waves. As you can see here, I've already drawn it. So this is the last wave, the 5th wave. And what we did analysis last time, we did try to analysis from 48 down to 8. So this is a highlight from last time. So let's use our amplifier to zoom in to check the day chart to see what's really going on under the 5th wave. Yeah, so you can see the highlight here. This is the highlight from the weekly chart. As you can see, I have already marked 2 boxes. It's the trading platform for bulls and bears. This is like a battlefield for them. So we need to analyze the last one to see what's really going on here. And the upper level for the upper price for the box is around $15. And last time we were here, and I was saying that do not chase the ride from here and wait for a little bit pullback, and it did pull back. If we check the 1-hour chart, as you can see here, it did pull back from around $14 to 13 or $12.8. So it did pull back in the smaller chart, in the 1-hour chart. So, and then it's rally, or it's has a big rise today from what, $13 to the highest was 17.5. Should you chase the high now, or you wait? By just looking at the day chart, I saw a lot of YouTubers are saying that it's a breakthrough the $15 price level, or this is the resistance level. They are saying that this is breakthrough, but is this a real breakthrough or is it a trap for the bulls? By just looking at the day chart, you can see the MACD indicator. It's on the good trend, but in the day chart, it doesn't really give you more details. So we have to one more time, we have to zoom in to the 1-hour chart to check what's really going on from $8 to 7.5. So this is a 1-hour chart, as you can see the time frame here, and this black average line is 120 average line. As you can see, it was blocking the trend at this time, and then it got supported at this point. This is the 100 average line. The reason why I'm using 120, not the other lines, is just my habit. You can use other average lines; it doesn't really matter. But I used to use 120. So as you can see, from $8 here, let me mark the price down here. So from 8 to 17. It has two boxes, means there are already two battlefields. And whenever you see two battlefields, you should think reverse trend. Whenever I just repeat it. Whenever you see two trading or battlefields, you should think about the reverse trading. If it's uptrend, then you should start to think downward trading. If it's downward trading, then you should think about upward trading. So this is the tricky thing, or this is a small trick you could learn from me. Whenever you see two trading platforms, then follow what I just said, reverse thinking. But will it immediately from 17 down to like what 14 here? Let me also mark the price here. It's 13.87. Will it down directly from what 16 down to here? I don't think so. But how could you measure it? I have a tool called Fibonacci, as you guys probably all know it. By using the Fibonacci, we have the levels, three levels here. You can see it. It's 15.7 or 15.2 or 14.6. So we have three levels to monitor. If the downtrend or if the pullback will touch any of the three, and then have a closer look, will it rebound from these three levels? So from this indicator, you know what to check, right? It's not like you just guess. It's not a guessing game. You have to have your indicator to help you which levels to check. So there are three levels here. And then what? Let me use my drawing to show you what will happen after that. If it's pulled back to any of the levels and check the strength, if this is really pull back big one, or it will pull back to $13, or it's a smaller one pull back to like a 15, and then it will go one more time up. After that, don't chase the last wave. Do not chase the last rise, because this is most likely it's a bull trap. So what I suggest, if you are trading in a really small time frame, you probably could, monitor these three levels and get in or jump in to buy a little bit position. But there are already, two boxes or two trading platforms. So this is only the last part. This is the last part, and the profit is not very big, I would say. So I rather what? I rather wait until it's maybe. Let me draw another picture. I rather wait for maybe it's a touch $15 and go slowly up to the high 7.5. I rather waiting for this down trend like this, three waves. I'd rather waiting for this opportunity than chasing the last part. But this is only 1 hour chart. This is only 1 hour chart. So this is a small time frame. But if we go back to the weekly chart, it's still a bull case. It's still a bull case in the weekly chart. So waiting for when it will touch 25.8. Whenever it touches 25.8, then it will probably have a bigger pullback. So currently it's only a small pullback in the 1 hour chart. So in the 1 hour chart, you know what to watch and you know what the opportunity you should be waiting for. And in the weekly chart, and you know which key resistance level to watch, like 25.8. And then if it's pulled back in the 1 hour, like what I showed you, three waves, then you can buy more positions at the bigger pullbacks. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.